Kirby, hey.
I am.
Roger Wicker.
Nice
Good
to
see
meet you.
This is Melissa Horrocks.
Why?
She's our director here.
Good to see you.
Yes. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
And look, you can see it pulled the building back.
Well,
That
okay.
is where it pulled it off and back.
How long would you say it was?
All of tornadoes and stuff. This thing lifted, so the whole building moved. And then it lifted the roof, peeled it off. And I can show you where it landed. It's that away about 80 yards.
Well, and y'all had a trailer out there too.